I'm Ricardo Schmidt. My work at Station is to write smart contracts. Writing the smart contracts is the easiest part, but what's really difficult in this part is to think about the crypto economics and how to make it safe in this open interface that anyone in an unpermissioned way can access and to reach the objective of the contract. So really depends on the contract, but most of the contracts we need some kind of crypto economics, especially for status that is, the idea is to be totally open to everyone. So smart contracts, they are actually small programs. The only difference is that they are stored in the blockchain and can be accessed by anyone. So they are called as storage procedures. Maybe that could be analogous how database is used, but the difference is that instead of having a server holding them, you have the Ethereum blockchain. Normal development, you have control of the environment. For instance, if you are writing a backend system, you can have a firewall and then you have users. In smart contracts, everyone is pseudonymous and unpermissioned. So you need to think about all the nonsense about everything that could be done inside of the functions you write in your smart contract. There are a lot of security concerns in making an open interface like what we do in smart contracts, and that's what we are evolving on, how to write that in a safe way that everyone can see as well that it's safe, because the smart contracts are like intended to be also be trusted by the users. So sometimes they send phones to it, sometimes it can provide an identification system, and this should not be able to be changed or accessed by someone that is not intended to. Status works with smart contracts for, of course, the token. We use the ICO, and now we are building ENS usernames that is currently running. We're also going to build the governance. So these systems, they are important for Status because we want to be a decentralized company and we don't want to rely on servers. So instead of having a database, we are basically having these smart contracts that have this crypto economics to ensure that they are going to work as intended. I believe that the future of smart contracts is to become the future of backend of web, because right now we have the need of a server, and that's have a huge cost on it. And for smart contracts, the cost is kind of minimized because you only deploy it once, and perhaps in future you will have only to pay the storage, but this maintenance should be done by the network. So smart contracts are to be the future of the internet.